If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hello, peace and love to all you groovy people out there. Today is another day of a review showing one of my lovely inks that special thank you to no other than Miss Lena from Pen Boutique. Alright, well here it is, Lena, right here. This ink is truly, truly awesome. People say it's too expensive, but you know, you can buy other inks that would fit your budget, and I'm sure they're much to your liking, but you know, I do like Mont Blanc. Anyway, Mr. Announcer, I am going to use...
That is Kawakami paper.
Kawakami paper, which I must have had this for all my life, but anyway, we're going to go ahead and open it up, and we're going to get real busy here in a second. I don't know if you call it real busy. So, alright. I promise the people that I would show them how nice this ink will look on paper. So when you're writing your letters to me, Santa Claus, whoever, you're going to say, here it is.
That is a very nice rich color.
It is. I love it. I think Mont Blanc is this one on the head. Now, one more thing before I depart. I'm going to use my desk pen, and I'm not going to fill it up with ink or nothing. Okay, so this is how it looks on paper, and I just used a Q-tip. But now I'm going to get the Moonman pen that has a Franklin Christoph, I believe a medium nib on it, and this pen was made by
John Hubbard.
Mr. John Hubbard. How you doing, Mr. John Hubbard out there? So let me just dip it in. I'm not going to fill it. I don't think I have any pens filled, but then you never know. I think I have enough ink on there because I don't want to spill it. That would be a bad, bad thing. I'll let Mr. Harper spill it. All right, here we go. Nice and rich. Looks really, really nice. Now, with that said, I know the next video I'm going to do is for Dan the Man, Reverend Dan the Man Dan. And here is the next video, right here, again at Mr.
Dan Roseberry.
All for you, Dan. Dan was really curious how this pen writes. It has a medium fine nib, and I can't wait to taste it. It's going to be this one right here. And this is the one that came from Pen Boutique. Okay. Right there. That good? And they also have blue in different nib sizes, but not all of the sellers carry the all the nib sizes, and I could be wrong. So this is how it looks. I'll just do that. That's really a really nice ink, and the name of the ink again is the
Meisterstück Olympic Heritage Red.
Beautiful Red Heritage. God, that makes me hungry. I might want to just write that down, right? Sorry about the sloppy writing, but my wrists aren't in good shape anymore. And, of course, you can get this at Pen Boutique. Such a really nice nib on this pen. Feels good, too. And that's how it looks, folks. Well, that's going to sub this little jewel up for tonight. And God willing, I'll keep them coming. And Dan the Man, the Squirrel Man. Check you later. Hello to everybody out there. Is it Troy, Liz, Dr. Joe? Am I missing a whole bunch? You want to help me out there, John? I forget names. And there's Richard. Sorry about that. I had a memory lapse, but it's Will Hodges, and there's really a lot of other people. Bill Miller. If I haven't mentioned your name, give me a shout, because I have them all written down. I do pen pals. Yeah, I know. I need to get on it. So I'm going to leave it at that because the mind memory is shot tonight. And I'll leave it at that. Well, that's peace and love. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. And now it's Santa Claus time. And special thank you to Lena and to Frank from Federalist Pens and Paper. And don't forget, Fountain Pen Revolution. We're done. We're out here. Oh, and Michael Green. Hello, Mike. And he's with Customs.
Mike's Custom Pens. Mike's PenFound.com.
There you go. Woo. Get this brain back in circulation. It's got cobwebs in it. So, Michael, we love y'all. We love everybody. God bless. Be cool like your school. We're gone. Bye.